In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a public link for a Zoho creator form. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Zoho's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Zoho, which is an excellent cloud software suite designed for business needs. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In option prominently displayed at the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have a Zoho account, you can click here to proceed. For those who do not have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. After signing in, you'll land on the Zoho homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all the various Zoho applications. From here, our next destination is Zoho Forms. So, go ahead and click on the link that takes you directly to Zoho Forms. This is where we'll be performing most of our actions today. Once in Zoho Forms, you'll be able to see all of your existing forms if you've previously created any. Now, locate the form for which you'd like to create a public link. Once you've identified the form, look for the three-dot icon associated with that particular form. This icon represents additional options, including options for sending and sharing your form. Clicking on the three-dot icon will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Share. After clicking Share, you'll be presented with various ways you can distribute your form to others. What we are interested in here is creating a public link, which allows anyone with the link to access and fill out your form. Therefore, look for Form Permalink URL and click on it. This action will generate a URL that acts as a direct link to your form. It's important to note that sharing the link publicly means anyone who has this link can access your form. So be mindful of what information you are collecting and sharing. This public link feature is incredibly useful for gathering responses from a wide audience without requiring them to have a Zoho account. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a public link for a Zoho creator form. This can significantly broaden your ability to collect data efficiently and seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on utilizing Zoho and other productivity tools. See you in the next video.